Very good morning to all of you dears. So today again, especially we bring for you a revision. Okay, we brought for you a revision on letters. Okay, we are going to deal two letters. Okay, in this module we'll see two letters, and I have given you already two letters before I have given you two letters about a rescue operation. Okay, and about one more. Okay, so two letter I have given you already, and two letter today I am given to you. Okay, I will give to you on today. So let's start solving two letters. So the letter from your book, from your honeycomb book, sorry, hornbill. Okay, doing letter from your hornbill book. Okay, hornbill. So in your hornbill book there is a section. Okay, writing section. In writing section there are letter, essay writing, creative writing. Okay, so we are dealing to letter from your hornbill book. Okay, question: write a letter to the resident welfare association of your locality. Okay, suggesting some measure that could be taken for solving the problem of water scarcity and conserving water. Yes, water is very precious thing. We cannot live our life without water. So you are the resident of a society. Okay, so you wanted to write a letter to president of the society to conserve water. Okay, because it is a scarcity of water going on in your colony or city. Okay, so for water conservation, okay, due to scarcity of water we are writing letter. Okay, we want to conserve water. So first, on left hand side, on the top mention your address. Okay, then below the address you must write date. Then after writing date, you must address the person to whom you are going to write letter. So 67 Mansover Plaza, New Delhi. Okay, address on the top left hand side. Then below it, date October 7 2020. Then name, then salutation, and address the person to whom you are going to write letter. Okay, so the resident of Mansover Plaza, New Delhi. Then you just greet the person. You greet your president, dear sir. Dear sir or respected sir. Dear sir or respected. Then subject. We'll talk about subject. Okay. Subject means object, like objective. Okay, problem of water scarcity. Yes, in our country there are only 2%, 2.5% only fresh water in our world. So how you can fulfill demand of overall population of the country? And day by day population is growing, population is increasing rapidly. Okay, day to day, so we cannot fulfill everyone's requirement. Okay, there is enough for everyone's need, but there is not enough for anyone's greed. Okay, and we have uneven distribution of fresh water. Okay, so it is impossible to fulfill everyone's demand. And what we are doing, we are contaminating the water, we are polluting the water, we are mixing harmful substances releasing from industry, released from industry and dumping in water. So we are contaminating the water. Okay, so subject, problem of water scarcity and measure for water conservation. Okay, problem of water scarcity. Yes, there is problem of water scarcity. You wanted some measure for water conservation. So, okay, then you write on behalf of residents of Mansover Plaza. On the behalf of. So you are not alone who is going to write a letter. Okay, you are talking on behalf of all the residents of your Mansover Plaza colony. I would like to draw your attention to the pressing problem of water scarcity in our society. So you wanted to bring or drag or draw president attention towards this problem of scarcity of water in society. The water supply is not enough to cater to the needs of the residents. Yes, the water supply is not enough. Okay, you have water scarcity, so how possible your water supply is going to be fulfilled? Okay, it's impossible. Despite the situation, many people are not concerned about water being wasted in household chorus, washing of cars, etc. Already you are facing water scarcity, you have lackness of water, and you have seen many people of colony, okay, many residents of the colony still washing their cars and just wasting water and throwing water in household, okay, in household work. So you are already facing this problem. In this backdrop, I have few suggestions. So I just want to give you some of suggestion. Okay, I mentioned a seminar come workshop could be organized to discuss the issue with the residents. Yes, there is need. There is a need of a seminar. It is must and required to arrange a seminar. Okay, to tell to colony people to conserve the water. Okay, as they had water scarcity. Okay, water conservation expert may be invited to make us aware about various method and technology. Okay, so in that workshop or seminar, you are going to you want to invite expert of water expert. Okay, so you wanted to just invite, okay, water conservation expert, so that in their presence you may know various knowledge of how to save water, for saving water. Okay, you should know about many ways to save water. Okay, so that's why you want to invite them. Okay, so method and technology. Okay, then what to do? So it was about this water issue. Okay, then next, very important, this one. So from where we have seen, so you want, okay, you want to invite expert. Okay, and so that you can get advices from them. Moreover, okay, the residents should be sensitized to conserve water while bathing. Okay, means now you are urging to your colony people to keep focus, to keep concentrate about this issue, and do not waste water in bathing, cooking, washing cloth, utensil, or washing dishes. So not to waste, not to waste much amount of water in these household activities. Okay, and it is needed to door campaign can be organized to spread awareness. Okay, you must aware people, you must spread the message of saving water or conserving water among people. Okay, for it you need door to door campaigning. Okay, and I request you to kindly take immediate step to address the issue of water scarcity and conservation measure, and motivate the resident to solve the problem collectively. Means you are going to request to president of society to kindly concentrate and focus on issue of lackness of water and scarcity of water in your colony. Okay, and take necessary action. Okay, and request to people to watch water scarcity, okay, properly, and to use water, your utilization of water must be proper, and use the water on a proper place, on proper time. Okay, not to waste water, as you are facing a scarcity of water. Okay, then you are truly Rajesh Kumar. Okay, so it was about water conservation and water scarcity. Okay, you are going to just write a letter to president to spread awareness and to draw his attention towards water scarcity and water conservation. Okay, then next, so next we have now we are going for next. So next letter, write a letter to editor of a newspaper expressing your view on the deteriorating law and order situation in your city. In your city there is a bad situation of law and order. Okay, you wanted to maintain law and order your city. Okay, and you want to spread awareness in people. Okay, so when we write, it is a kind of formal letter. Okay, when we want to spread awareness in society, when we want to create awareness in society, so then we have to write letter to editor, and by using and through the esteemed column of editors newspaper, it will be easy to spread public awareness. It would be easy to spread awareness or create awareness in society, because everyone sees newspaper, everyone just reads newspaper. Okay, so next, first on the top left hand side, mention address A15 Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi. Then below the address write date. Okay, October 18 2020. Then name of the person to whom you are going to write letter. Okay, so you are going to write to the editor. Okay, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then you just address, you greet to editor, dear sir or respected sir. Then you are writing subject. Okay, then you write subject, deteriorating law and order situation in city. So in your city, if we talk about law and order, so law and order is not maintaining your city, and law and order is going to spoil, okay, in your city. So that's, you want to create public awareness, and you want to just draw the attention of concerned authority, okay, to look into this matter and take necessary action. So through the column of your esteemed newspaper, okay, through the column of your esteemed newspaper. So you wanted to create public awareness through the column of any esteemed newspaper, okay. I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authority. You want to draw the attention, the concentration, the focus of concerning authority who has power, okay, because day by day you have seen fast deteriorating law and order situation in the city. In the city, the situation, law and order is going to spoil, okay. The inhabitants of the city are going through a phase of panic, okay, and the commotion took place everywhere, okay. The situation is going bad to worse, okay, and inhabitant of city suffering from the situation. Media is repeatedly reporting crime story of rape, arson, kidnapping, burglary, okay, and theft, okay. Media, if we see media houses, so media houses is reporting every day, okay. There are many people, okay, victim of theft, okay, then rape, then kidnapping, okay, these things going on in city, okay, on in broad daylight, okay, in broad daylight it's happening. So our city is not safe. Our city is world famous tourist city, and it is a business hub, but due to deterioration of law and order situation, the number of tourists has decreased, and participants for business fair are also withdrawing the participation, okay. So our city is a business hub, okay, everyone want to invest in our city, but due to deteriorating law and order and due to increasing of crime, no one want to invest in our city, no one want to come to our city. So it is very bad for us, okay. No one want to invest, no one want to come, no one want to visit our city due to increasing crime rate, due to deteriorating law and order in our city. So you must care for that, okay. Then in this context, it is advisable, okay, it is advisable, we are going to advise you, and we are just wanted to focus concern authority about this problem, okay. And if you want, you should call paramilitary force to keep control on this situation, okay. So it is a matter of concern, because now our intelligence agency failed to prove adequate and timely clue about various incidents which have taken place recently, and creating panic among people. If we talk about our secret agencies, intelligence bureau, so I think they are failed to find out the criminal, they are failed to find out the people who are doing this, okay, people who are responsible about this. So I think it's their failure, okay, it's their failure not to blame, even not to catch the particular guilty person, not to catch accused, okay. While immediately taking hold of situation, the government should take a step in allocating adequate fund for the development of adjoining area of the city. So it is better to, government should fund about it, government should arrange fund on it, okay, and government should arrange the institution, okay, to catch these people, okay, and government should watch for permanent solution of this problem, and an urgent step must be taken by government, okay. So then at last you write, you are truly Nandita Yadav, okay. You can conclude your letter by at the end, okay, you are truly Nandita Yadav. So it was about two letter, learn everything, okay.